Okay, so this is a proton precession magnetometer, and what we have here is we have a computer in a handy battery containing compartment which connects up to our sensor, which is on top of a stick to make sure that the magnetometer is always held at a constant height. Make sure that you remove anything metal like keys or coins or anything electrical like your phone, and these need to be removed from the survey area. So an important thing to note with this piece of equipment is we are measuring the magnetic field, the total magnetic field, so that will be with influence from the sun and the core and the crust. So in order to separate it out to just get shallow crustal readings, we have to set up a base station. So to do that, we just find our first point, and on the box we hit measure. And that comes out as 49,823 nanotemplars. To take a reading, make sure the equipment's at arm length. It's attached to this pole, so it's always maintaining a constant height away from the ground. Try and keep it as vertical as possible. You might need to consider the fact that you can't align the machine with magnetic north, otherwise the protons won't have anywhere to precess to. Once you've taken a base station reading, you can then begin your survey. So to do that, every meter or set distance, you move along and you take a new reading. So this computer records those numbers, but you might need to have someone on hand to write it down in a notebook, depending on the piece of equipment you're using. Once you've reached the end of your survey, or if your survey is going to last a long time, you should come back to your base station and take another reading. This should allow us to remove any kind of influences that are time variable, and then we can work out what the crustal structure is.